Julie has 7 pencils. Kim has 9 pencils. How many fewer pencils does Julie have than Kathy? Boys and girls, what are you going to do? Are you going to add the two numbers or are you going to subtract the two numbers? Make sure you are drawing a picture to show your work and writing an addition or subtraction sentence as well. Now pause the video, work this problem out, and then hit play when you're ready for number 2. Number 2. Isabella was planting flowers in her garden. She planted some flowers before lunch. After lunch, she planted 7 more flowers. She planted 10 total flowers. How many flowers did she plant before lunch? So, boys and girls, this is going to be a missing add-in problem. I want you to draw your total number of flowers first. Then, I want you to circle how many more flowers did she plant. Show your work. Pause the video and work it out, and then play the video when you're ready for the next one. Number 3. Sam and Jenna were making cookies for a party. They each made 3 cookies. How many cookies did they make in all? Show your work.